so supine gihapon, same position, press and abducted to 110 degrees.
Shoulder depressed and abducted.
Forearm supinated, wrist extended, finger and thumb extended, but this time the shoulder is in lateral flexion. And then cervical spine
Flexion means or rotation? Lateral rotation?
Lateral.
Anak, miss. Agay, kasakit.
Okay? Kato ganina, di ba, wala naman siya
Lateral rotate.
rotate ang shoulder.
ULTT.
Okay, one side is extended tanan. And then side flex to the side, di ba? But this time, na siya lateral rotation.
Sakit.
Extended.
Wala, positive.
Okay?
Miss, unsa may tabuan na, miss, kung naa siya, kung positive siya na. Ay, di ba? Maunsa makabalo? Unsa niyo pakabalo? Maka-pain.
Pain, tingling sensation, paresthesia, if positive. Okay?
O siya, miss,
Okay?
Yung
This is
upper limb
of
tension.
that nerve. Okay? Sa nerve ang affected. And then, for example, median nerve. Asa man usually diha makafeel ang patient of tingling sensation or
Sa wrist.
Dinaa sa median nerve distribution, di ba? Okay? So, more of the, let's say for example,
Sir.
more of the hand pain, tingling sensation,
Hoy!
anesthesia. Okay? Next, ULT